We all know the health benefits of drinking turmeric milk, but I guess the real question is, how well do we know whether our body is actually getting all the nutrients that turmeric has to offer? The two most important things that our body does after we eat anything is digestion and, most importantly, absorption. So in order to get the full benefits of drinking turmeric milk, we have to ensure that turmeric and its most active ingredient, which is called as curcumin, is properly absorbed by our body so that all the nutrients from turmeric reaches our bloodstream and then reaches our cells. So friends, let's check out this multi-talented immunity boosting recipe and also see how we can improve the absorption of turmeric and, in a sense, curcumin, which is one of the most important active ingredient in turmeric, which has all the benefits. Almonds are high in healthy fats like monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fat, which can help improve insulin sensitivity, improve your cholesterol, lower your blood pressure, and reduce your risk of developing blood clots. Almonds are rich in nutrients like vitamin E, dietary fibers, omega-3 fatty acids, and proteins. So Ayurveda recommends soaking the almonds and peeling off the skin to improve the digestibility of almonds. I am using unsalted raw almonds. Turmeric has been used as a spice and medicinal herbs for centuries. The most important compound in turmeric is curcumin. It has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and is a very strong antioxidant. You can also check out my video on turmeric absorption, the link for which is in the description box below. Cinnamon is a super spice backed by Ayurveda. Cinnamon actually helps in soothing the scratchy throat, doesn't allow your insulin and sugar levels to spike if you are diabetic. Black pepper is known for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and anti-tumor potential. So friends, always remember to use a dash of black pepper in your turmeric milk because turmeric and black pepper go hand in hand to make it a powerful combo. Piperine in black pepper helps in absorption of curcumin, which is the most active ingredient with all the health benefits in turmeric. Jaggery is rich in many vital vitamins and minerals. Jaggery also helps boost immunity, keeps the body warm, helps treat cold and cough, and controls the temperature of our body. Most importantly, this is a natural sweetener, as jaggery is loaded with antioxidants and minerals such as zinc and selenium. Ghee consists of fat-soluble vitamins which aid weight loss. Ghee also plays a key role in balancing hormones and maintaining healthy cholesterol. Having turmeric milk at night will induce good sleep, act as an anti-aging tonic. Turmeric milk is also beneficial in treating joint and bone issues, including arthritis. Turmeric milk will also promote weight loss, and that is mainly because of the primary antioxidant in the spice. Curcumin helps in breaking down the fats, which in turn speeds up the process of losing weight. That's it for this video, friends. I hope you liked the video, and if you did so, do remember to subscribe to my channel. Put your comments, put your questions in the comment section below. Also do check out my other videos which I have already posted. This is Sham Sawan for Power of Nutrition. I will see you next weekend with another video. Until that time, goodbye and take care.